It wasn't just a tube. It was a trigger.
And the questions spread fast.
Was it a flaw in the formula or a flaw in the system?
We paused. We listened. We investigated.
Then came the breakthrough. The test. The truth. It wasn't a scandal. It was a solution.
AZJADFORGE, where every formula has a story, and every story earns its trust. To see how trust is made, we step inside where every tube begins, and every detail matters. Every batch begins with raw materials carefully sourced, verified, and tracked. Nothing enters the facility without passing strict identity checks. Before use, each ingredient is quarantined and tested. We check for purity, potency, and safety. Only approved materials move forward. Inside the clean room, contamination is not an option. Every technician follows a strict protocol because sterility starts with discipline. Precision is everything. Each ingredient is weighed to the micrometer. Accuracy here ensures consistency in every tube. The formula is blended under controlled conditions. Temperature, speed, and time are calibrated to achieve perfect texture and stability.
Even during mixing, we test. Treatability, pH, and microbial safety are monitored in real time. Every batch must meet spec. Once approved, the ointment is filled into sterile tubes. Machines ensure uniform volume, sealed tight to protect the formula.
Each tube is labeled with traceable data batch number, expiry, and regulatory codes. Transparency is built into every step. Before release, every batch undergoes final inspection. We check for leak, label accuracy, and product integrity. Once cleared, the batch is released. From our facility to pharmacies, it's ready to heal, ready to earn trust.
This is more than a tube. It's a process, a promise. AZJADFORGE, where science meets story.